it's Mrs. Compton. We're starting today with a number talk. So get your brains ready because it's all going to be mental. But remember, inside your mind is tools, is a 120 chart, is strategy that we have learned from each other in class, right? So it's not a blank mind. It's a mind with stuff going on. All right, so the first thing we're going to solve is 50 minus what makes 20? Okay, so I want everybody to hit pause right now, and I want you to tell me 50 minus what equals 20? Okay, on the count of 3. Are you ready to tell me? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 70? No? Did you say 30? Let's find out. Okay, so if we start with 50, so maybe you were thinking about these tools in your head. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 50. Minus what would only leave 20 in the end? So, or actually, looks like that to you in the end. 20 over there, 20 over there. I don't even know. Okay, so let's see. 50 minus what would leave us 20 in the end? So we had to take off how much to just have 20? Did you see how much went away? Are you saying 30? Now, for those of you who got 70 out there, because I bet some of you thought the answer was 70, I'm going to guess you probably added 50 and 20 together and got 70, but we're trying to figure out 50 minus 30 would leave 20. All right, so 30 was the answer. Okay, let's try another one. Step it up a notch. We'll go 55 minus what? Should we just keep it at 20? Let's do that. 55 minus what would make 20? Okay, so everybody hit pause. See what you come up with. Okay, I'm ready. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Tell me. What? It's only 5 more, you said? So 35? 35? Anybody? Nobody said 75? Okay, let's find out. So some of us might be thinking the answer must be 35 because we started with 5 more. Let me see if I can hold this up. Okay, there we go. This is 55, right? Last time we started with 50 like this, and now we have 5 more on there. So, and we're still ending up with 20 at the end. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to have to put my marker down. See if I can actually do this. We're still at ending up with 20 at the end, right? So the answer is just going to be those extra 5 that we added on there. So 55 minus 35 will leave us with 20. So maybe you're thinking about that. So 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus what would leave us with just 20? And you can actually see 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Whew, that would be our answer. Okay, should we go for one more? I think we should. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go. 60 minus what would make 25? So 60, aha. So I have to turn this 5 into a whole 10. So now we've got, I know, I learned my lesson. I gotta put my marker down. 60. Oh no, some of the purple just fell. I'm gonna pretend like it's all there. So 60 minus what would leave us 25? Okay, hit pause. I'm gonna go pick up the ones that fell. Everything started falling. Did you hear it? And then I almost fell. Oh, help! Math can be dangerous. Okay, so here we go. 60 minus what would leave us 20? Whoa. See, I'm telling you guys. 5. Okay, so we want to figure out what we had to take off here. So let's find out. You guys, help me. 10, 20, 30, 5. Okay, let's see that written out here. Okay, let's go for it. 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, minus what would leave us with a 20 and then oops, we've got to turn this one into 10 like this. We've got to change it out for ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we want to know what it would leave us with, not just 20, but 25. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what did we have to take off? We had to take off 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's interesting. We have a 35 here and a 35 there. Why is that? This would be a great time for teachers to pause and discuss. If you're not in your classroom and doing this by yourself, I think you should stop and think about, why do we have a 35 in both spots, but we've got different numbers over here? All right, do that, and then we're going on to our story. So get ready. All right. Back. Was I ever gone? I don't think so. All right. We're going to talk about a little bit about trick-or-treating, because that's coming right up. So we've got to focus on the candy situation, you guys. Candy, candy, candy. Now, here we go. Trick-or-treating candy. Kate went trick-or-treating and got pieces of candy. Then she gave some candy away to her friend. Okay, so Kate got some candy. Then she gives some away to a friend. Now she has candies left. How many pieces of candy did Kate give away? Okay, so we're trying to figure out how many pieces Kate gave away. Let's check our number sets. We've got 75 and 25. Ooh la la. Whoa, we've got some large numbers coming. We've got 130 and 48. We've got 294 and 128. Don't you dare pick one of these sets unless you've got a super strong strategy down here with your second grade number set. So make sure you try that one first and have a strong strategy. Okay, let's reread the story. We've got to make sure we've got the picture in our minds, right? You have to have the picture in your mind. Otherwise, we start getting stuff wrong. All right, so Kate went trick-or-treating and got 75 pieces of candy. All right, so 75 pieces for Kate. Good job, Kate. Knocked on a lot of doors, right? So then she gave some candy away to her friend. All right, so she had 75. She gave some away. And now she has 25 candies left. Kate, you gave away a lot of candy. We have to figure out how many pieces of candy did Kate give away. So could she have given away 100 pieces of candy? No, she only had 75 pieces to start, right? So I know I have to figure something out. So I have to figure out if she started with 75 and gave some away and ends up with 25, how many she gave away. All right, kids, it's your turn. Get your tools, get your brains, and get started. I'll see you next time. Bye.